In this video, I'm going to show you how to open an account in kobotoolbox. This is my screen and I'm going to open up a browser. So let us open up a Google browser. You can use your account and go to the browser. Nowadays, Google browser requires you to use an account or as a guest. So when I'm here, I'm going to search for kobotoolbox.org. That's the website we all have to go. And the website is pretty decent, very simple. It says that simple, robust, and powerful tool for data collection. It is also, if you go inside, you'll find out it is actually designed for researchers and for UNHCR or refugees for collecting data. So many of the data created in this particular software are actually collected for the UNHCR. And one of the biggest advantage I see compared to other free software is that it has the GPS location you can track. Now, if you want to start here, kobotoolbox says it is free and it takes under a minute, which is true. And we have two public policy instances for you can choose from. So one, unlimited use for humanitarian organizations, and two, researchers, aid workers, or everyone else. But there is a limit of 10,000 submissions per month and 5 GB of data storage per month. Unlimited project. So you can just create an account. Click here to create an account. If you click here, the computer browser will take you to this page, which is create an account. It gives you instructions right here, which is exactly what I have said. You put your name, you put your organization's name here, you put a username just like an email account. Give an email to which this account is linked to. Sector, and you can choose the sector. Mostly for us is education, but if you are from a different social economics are also there. Environment is also there, so depends on who you are. So that will be the idea. And then the country. Every country is listed here. Obviously they want your gender, and you set the password. Once you set the password, you create an account and it will require validation from your email address that you have given. After this, what I'm going to do, I'm going to log in and show you the screen that we will eventually use to enter. Here is my login username. Here is my password. I just say login because I saved my password in this browser. And we are set to go. I will see you in the workshop and we will go from there. Thank you. Thank you very much.